Now let's talk about how to solve water problems that deal with filling a container. Fill some water in a cubic aquarium with side lengths 10 meters, and then turn the tank so that the angle between the face of the tank and the floor is 45 degrees, as shown in the figure below. A marks the water level. If we can fill up the tank with another 125 cubic meters of water to fill the cube, then what is the length of AB? So what we're looking for is this length right here. In order to figure that out, we're going to need to figure out some volumes. The volume of the entire tank is 10 by 10 by 10, which is 1,000 cubic meters. So, the volume of the water that is present right now is going to be this minus what we could still fit, which is 125 cubic meters. Now we can see that ACD, which is this triangle right here, would be a triangular prism, and it would come back out like this, and that would be the amount and the shape that we would still need to fill. Now we know that it has a depth of 10 since it's part of this cube. So if it's a triangular prism with a height of 10 and a triangular base, then the base, which is a triangle, times 10 has to be equal to 125. That's the amount of water that it would take to fill it up. So if we divide by 10 on both sides, we're going to figure out that the triangle base is equal to 1 to 12.5 meters squared in area. Now, if we know that this is a right triangle, since it's a cube, then we know that AC times CD divided by 2 has to be equal to 12.5. So, AC times CD has to be equal to 25. Since we know that AC is equal to CD, then we know that they both have to be equal to 5, the square root of 25. This means that AC is 5 and CD is 5. If we know that the entire distance from B to C is 10, since we have a cube with side length 10 meters, then we know that AB is equal to BC minus 5, which is 10 minus 5, which is 5.